Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to do this Portuguese Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, I want to tell you what this means. So it means 9 years without I do not know how to pronounce this word. So we have to public one music, one favorite song of Charlie Brown Jr. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, we have to go on our Instagram app, of course, and from there you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my Instagram account, you have to go to new 2022 March at highlights. And from here, you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Now you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for this video, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do our story, and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your story. I will go with this one. You can now place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and then you have to go the stickers from the top of the screen and then go to music. And here you have to type in Charlie Brown Jr. Just like this. Choose the song you like, of course. I will go with this one. Then click done from the right top corner. Place the song where you want, the sticker of the song, and once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account, on Ali and John YTT, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 or 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you, so make sure to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.